Hi everybody, this is Shayla and I have a very unique video here today. In case you're wondering what is that, I'm making a little video about the coolest way I figure out how to wash a bathroom shower. You know, nobody likes washing, but nobody likes to have shower in dirty bathroom either. So I am making this little video to show, just this little trick. So number one, now I'm a right-handed, so I'm filming with my right hand. So I'm gonna try to do the washing. Well, I'm not gonna do the full wash holding my phone, you know, it's impossible, I need both hands, but I will just show the steps. So this is, you know, one of the sprays I like using, you know, so whatever spray you have, you know, tough on grease and grime, that's what we want. And then first off, well, hold on, you can see the before, right? Yeah, that's quite dirty, especially the corners. I mean, I don't know who the heck invented white tiles and, you know, all this whiteness, because to be fair, it's not as dirty as it looks, but just the white stuff, you know, they just stain with time. But I will show how to make, you know, whiter. So spray all of these. Okay, you don't need to watch me spray, but you get, you know, the spirit. You spray, you know, and this thing says spray and wipe, which would be, I wish it was just like that. But to actually remove things, you know, if you haven't washed for a couple of weeks and things gonna be darker like that, it's best to, so just the wipe doesn't quite work. You need a little bit more effort. You need to like really do a bit of workout, you know. So if no, with one of those, well, I'll get there. So spraying, I will stop here and do my spraying on my own, but you see the before, okay? Now, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so next step, using that wasn't big deal, right? But just, whatever, just a spray and wipe, we all know that. But next step is the special trick. Are you ready? I'm so proud of it. So you need, detergent, dishwash liquids, whatever you have there to wash the dishes, unless you don't have them. If you just use, just make sure you have it. You know, if you have a dishwasher, you don't know, I think everybody has a dishwasher, stuff that doesn't go in a dishwasher. So dishwash liquid and a little bucket. This is little bucket I have. See, it's not so big, you don't need a massive bucket, just a little bucket. And then you put some hot water, the water is hot to quick. And then you put some of that in with the hot water, that's enough. Now a couple of squishes, and then the hot water. You don't need much water either. That's plenty. We got the soap. We got the sponge. The dishwash liquid on the hot water, the sponge. And then next, this is I'm sure we all done this. It's not a big secret, but you start really, working on those blacks, between the tiles to really, get it off, and then eventually the spray and the detergent together will work it out and you get it, So I am right-handed, so I'm really getting kind of challenging to film and scrub at the same time, but you get the idea. I'm gonna carry on, and I'll show you the video of after. I hope it's impressive. If it's not impressive, I won't put this online. No, it will be impressive, it always is. So what happened? The video really brings the color. So the video is, you kind of make it look sometimes, even when it's clean, it looks a bit darker. You might not look so, especially when it's wet. But I'll make the video of the after anyway. And if I get patience to wait to dry, I make the video after it's dry. But can you see how it's coming out already? You know, and you do that. I know there are better things to do in life than scrubbing the shower, but nobody likes, you know, to have shower in a dirty shower. And normally what I do in cases like this, I'll put some really nice music on, which I'll do next when I stop filming, and just pretend I am in a movie or something, you know. I make a party out of it, because that's the secret of life, you know. If we make a party out of everything, you know, it just make it fun, have a laugh, you know, just be silly about it. So that's what I do. And then, you know, in half an hour or whatever, the job is done and you're happy and you feel so good when it's done. I think it's so much better than having that to-do list in the back of your head, you know, because you think, oh, I have to do it. So we get more tormented from knowing we have to do it than actually doing it sometimes. So it's just easier to do it. Just get it done, you know, and then after you can just relax, knowing, yeah, I did it. All right. As you all know, I can talk forever, so I'll stop here and I'll carry on. See you soon. Well, look at that. As you can see, I've been busy doing lots of scrubbing. So I wanted to make a quick video before I, you know, wash all the soap off. But you can see, you know, it's much better already. All right, I'll be back. So, are you guys ready? Dun! Okay, the video is to mix those dark beads darker than they actually are, but it's much cleaner. You can see how shiny it is, and you know, yeah, the video doesn't quite make justice. Maybe I shouldn't upload this, I don't know, I'll figure out, but I'm filming anyway. But it's live is much cleaner. Yeah, those beads, they don't come out, they just stain. Yeah, but it's clean. It's very, very clean. All right, hope you enjoy this very, you know, exclusive video, first of its kind. I haven't made a video washing the bathroom before. It was fun. It was really fun. While I was doing the whole thing, I was listening to Viking music, which I love it, you know. So I always make this fun. All right, thank you for watching. If you enjoy, share, like, subscribe, you know, support independent artists. Thank you. Have a great week, everybody. Ciao.